Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will learn about the log, what they are, where to find them, and how to read them with some practical example. Log. So first question will arise, what are log files? What are log files? Log file are used to store system message. They help us understand what's happening inside the Linux system. For example, when a service fails, when someone log in, or if there's hardware issue. Everything is recorded in the log. So this is about the log. So the next question will arise, where are log files stored? This is the next question. So most log file are stored inside the directory. And what is the name of directory? Is slash or slash log. Here is stored the file related to logs. If you want to check, you will come and check with the help of ls command. ls-l var log. So there are multiple log related file and information are there. Now the next things. In the log, there can be multiple files. The file just message, the name can be message. In the similar way, the other file uh, secure, similarly, some other datas, cron, the next dmesg, boot.log, and many more. So these types of information and file we can check with the help of slash log. So now we are going to see some important log file, just like first one is var log message. This file stores general systems message. If you want to check how you are going to check, there is a command tell-f var log message. So with the help of this command, you will be able to see the log, or you can say the general system message as a log file. The other log files, which name is var log secure. So this log file containing the authentication activity like login, sudo, SSH, like these types of information will be there. If you want to check the information regarding this, then you can check with the help of tell-f var log secure. It will show you the information regarding this. And you can apply some grep signal also there so that you are just filtering out if there are such types of information, then get var log secure grep filled. So it will show you the failed accepted. Every information related to the authentication activity will be here. In the same way, there are some other data, var log cron. This file logs all cron job activity. If you create a schedule task using cron tab, you are able to see the data and its output and error log will be here. So tell var log cron. Yeah, you can see the information regarding the jobs activity. In the same way, there is a file var log boot dot log. So this file contains log related to the system boot. If it contains some data, then you can check with the help of var log boot dot log. If they not have, they will not show you. Otherwise, the data will be in the same location, var log boot dot log. Then the other is journal ctl command. Journal ctl command. It is also called as journal ctl. To read log from the system d journal d, we are using the journal ctl command. For looking these types of information, you can run the command journal ctl -xe. Hit enter. So it will show you multiple information regarding the journal ctl logs. So this is the all things that we have seen related to log, and it is important because it will help us in order to troubleshooting, auditing, monitoring system behavior. That is it for today's videos. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you.